Welcome to Akkaw Baler Hometel, your cozy retreat in the captivating town of Baler, Philippines. To begin crafting your unforgettable escape, simply scan the QR code featured on the screen or explore the description below for details on how to book your stay. Established in 2014, Akkaw Baler welcomes you with a warmth that embodies true Filipino hospitality. Our charming 3-star hotel offers a haven of modern comfort amidst the breathtaking natural beauty and rich cultural tapestry of Baler. Nestled in this idyllic setting, you'll discover a peaceful escape within our 21 thoughtfully appointed rooms, each designed to ensure your utmost relaxation. Imagine waking to the gentle whispers of the Pacific, knowing that adventure and tranquility await just beyond your doorstep. At Akkaw Baler, we understand the importance of seamless convenience. Our dedicated team provides round-the-clock room service, ensuring your culinary desires are met at any hour. From the moment you arrive, we endeavor to make your experience effortless. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., allowing ample time to settle in and unwind. And for those eager to explore the wonders of Baler before departure, we offer a relaxed checkout time until 12 p.m. Families are particularly welcome, with our child policy allowing children aged 0 to 7 to stay free of charge, an invitation to create cherished memories together. Experience the genuine embrace of Filipino hospitality at Akkaw Baler Hometel, where every stay is a cherished memory in the making. We trust that Akkaw Baler Hometel will become your preferred sanctuary in Baler, a place where comfort meets charm and unforgettable moments are made. As a final reminder, to secure your stay at Akkaw Baler Hometel, please scan the QR code displayed on the screen now.